Hello everyone, today we're looking at a bumper buddy and how to change the battery. First you take off the Phillips screws that holds down the little seat cover. Then there's more Phillips screws right here, right there, and right there. Once you do that, you can pull this out and you expose the battery. The battery literally has it has some hot glue on the negative terminal. But essentially I bought this Contender um alarm system battery that's actually a 5 amp hour, so zero point 0.5 more, which means more storage of of energy, so it can last a little bit longer than the original. And in a second you will see the original is a 12 volt 4.5 amp hour, but in this format they all are going to be essentially the same size. So what you're going to do, so I bought this from the Batteries+Bulbs store, and it was $10.99. I'm not sure if they're going to raise the price or not, but it was the best price out there. So with tax, it was a little over $11. And essentially, I am going to put that in there. But here's a close-up of what the battery looks like. The original, it just wasn't charging as well, and just it was dying a lot quicker, and so I thought I would buy a new battery. And as you can see, the terminals are the same. The original's 4.5 amp hour and the new one's 5 amp hour. And so you just put it in, reconnect the terminals. If you want to be safe, you can put some hot glue over the terminal so it doesn't come loose, but these terminals are fairly tight. You can maybe use some pliers to close these spade-like connectors. Sorry, I was trying to hold the phone and do this at the same time so you didn't really see it, but that's all you got to do. Once you do that, it'll get power and you'll have a brand new battery. And yeah, it's as easy as that. So hopefully you guys can change out yours and maybe fix your issue of a dead battery of some sort.